It's pretty much back to school time, which means a season of Halloween, more time outdoors without sweating to death, and of course pumpkin-flavored everything. But will it feel like that kind of fall this year? All the details on this episode of The Weather Hit. So before I get into what we could expect, let me go over some of the ways that meteorologists look into seasonal outlooks. One way is looking at long-term weather models. They could be months or even just a few weeks out. We also look at what's happening at the present and the recent past, and to kind of get an idea on the trends. Plus, we look at other ocean-atmospheric interactions, something we call teleconnections. And I'll give you one that may play a role in our weather later this year, and it's, of course, El Nino. Now, I talked a little bit in the previous episode about how it impacts hurricane formation in the Atlantic Basin, but it also plays a role in our weather mostly during the winter months. It also brings a subtropical jet stream into the southern part of the United States, and it can bring above average rainfall to the region and just a little bit cooler temps than what we would normally see. But if it continues to develop as forecasts show, El Nino will be an impact in our weather as we get closer to the end of the year. So what about the fall overall? If you're watching this though from the vast majority of the country, expect better than normal chances of warmer temperatures. This is according to NOAA's Climate Prediction Center. But there are equal odds of warmer, cooler, or average temperatures in the southeast for September, October, and in November. But just for the month of September, chances are good in the western and southern U.S., as well as New England, that temperatures will be above normal. But there are a couple of points to keep in mind. First, it's tough to say with great certainty how much warmer than normal will those temperatures be. The exact numbers, I mean. And it doesn't mean it's going to be warm for the entire fall season. Some places may get a brief cool spell, but then it goes back right to what we're kind of expecting during the 3-month period. But as of now, don't go racing for those Ugg boots, parkas, and winter hats just yet. All right, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Be sure to follow me on my social media accounts, and I hope to see you all again next time. Thank you so much for watching.